Hi there, I'm Melinda Elmer with Century 21 Masters, and today talking about something I see a lot, especially in divorce, probate, or trust sales. Sellers tell me they want to sell their house as is. So let me clear something up. When people say they're selling a house as is, most of the time they don't mean what they think it means. I hear this all the time in Long Beach, and I'm selling as is, I'm not fixing anything, I'm done. And honestly, that reaction makes sense. I mean, especially when the sale is tied to a divorce or maybe an estate sale. But by the time the house comes up, everyone is tired emotionally, mentally, financially. So someone finally says, fine, let's list it, but I'm not lifting a finger. So here's the problem. As is does not mean that buyers won't inspect the property. They will, every time. And once they inspect it, they can't pretend they didn't see what they saw. Roof issues, sewer lines, electrical problems, termites, years of deferred maintenance. At that point, buyers usually do one of three things. They either ask for repairs, ask for a credit, or they ask for a price reduction. And sometimes they walk away. Now that the house is back on the market and in Long Beach, where buyers are careful and paying attention, that first inspection often becomes part of the story for the next buyer. That's when people say, oh, we listed it as is. Well, yes, you did. And yes, a home can be sold as is. But here's what doesn't change. Condition still matters. Even if you never plan to write a check before listing, the condition of the home affects the value. How clean it is, the paint, the floors, the landscaping, how it feels when someone walks in a home. In Long Beach, buyers compare homes block by block, street by street. They notice. Those details affect showings, they affect offers, and they affect how confident buyers feel. And when buyers don't feel confident, they protect themselves with price. A few years ago, buyers waived inspections just to win. That's not the market we're in right now. Today's Long Beach buyers are cautious. They're paying close attention to list price, but they want clarity. They want transparency. So when they hear as is, they don't hear simple, they hear risk, and risk always has a cost. So here's the part no one really likes to talk about. In divorce and probate sales, especially homes, haven't been maintained at their best. Life gets heavy, repairs get delayed, and maintenance gets ignored. And that cost shows up somewhere, before the home is listed or after as a credit or in a lower sales price. There's no version where it disappears. So here's the truth. As is doesn't mean consequence-free. It just changes when and how the cost shows up. That's why I always tell my clients this. Don't rely too heavily on that estimated net proceeds until the sale is actually complete. My job is to protect value, equity, and your sanity during a process that already asks a lot of you. If you're selling a home in Long Beach during a divorce and trying to understand what it as is really means for you, your situation, I'm here. Sometimes one honest conversation can save tens of thousands of dollars and a lot of unnecessary stress. Give me a call and we can chat. You can reach me at 562-316-2915, or you can email me at melinda@theelmerteam.com. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe and share this with your friends.